Hey, what's going on, Alisa here? So in this video, we are going to see how to gain email subscribers fast, right? So the very first point is to create a free gift, right, or lead magnet. And secondly, we're going to see, in order to populate this free gift in exchange of email addresses, we use a landing page or opt-in page, right? And the last point we'll discuss about traffic, right? So let's get started. Um, so like I have highlighted before, a free gift, it's or lead magnet, it's something that we give away in exchange of email addresses, right? So it can be ebook, right, or software, or courses, or services that they can offer, of value, in exchange of people email address, right? So, and whatever I'm willing to give has to have so much value that it's very difficult for people to refuse, because it's something I can pay a lot of money to grab, and if I have it for free, so myself, I'm willing to give away my email address, right? So that's how powerful really a lead magnet has to be, right? So it means it's a very important step where we have to spend a lot of time to build uh, that free valuable gift. And on that note, I strongly suggest that you take a look, you read at Alex Hormozy book, on how to get strangers to want to buy your stuff, the $100 million leads. So it's a very, very good book. So you will see how you will build your lead magnet and populate it, have traffic. So it's very, very nice, So uh, let me say that again. So a lead magnet or a free gift has to have, so much value that is that's very difficult for people to say no. That's how really uh, a free gift has to be, right? So, and second point, we need to create a landing page, right? So a landing page, you know, a landing page that can say, for example, uh, uh, you know, this is, 3 steps to, to gain to to gain something or to lose something fast, stuff like that. So it's just some example, right? So to 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 boost people to put email, so receive 3 tips, to do something, to do xyz, etc. So here in this particular case, it's in case where you want to do solo ad, right? So solo ad. So first of all, what is solo ad? So solo ad is, we are borrowing somebody else's email list, right? So we buy some clicks, uh, for the solo ad provider, right? You know, and then yeah, so let's say we are buying 100 clicks or 200 clicks, right? So and I send my offer, right? I send my offer. So in exchange of, some clicks, so I will borrow his email list in order to grow mine, right? So and the best way to win, uh, everybody knows that if you want to grow your email list very fast, it has to go through pay ads, right? So pay ads, it can be YouTube, Google, or Facebook leads ad, you know, to grow your email list as fast as possible. And solo ad is also one of the way, to grow your email list, right? So, uh, but what I want to emphasize in case of solo ad, it has to be something very, very, very simple, right? Very simple like this, right? Why? Because in solo ads, you are competing against other marketers, right? So uh, that first, that means if your landing page is very simple like this, you know, it doesn't, it doesn't say anything about your offer here, right? So people, you know, almost done, confirm your email. So people just put their email, right? Uh, so it's by doing this, you will increase your opt-in rate. So you will grow your email list very fast, right? But one important thing is um, uh, the money is not in the list, but it's in the relationship you are building with your list. So it doesn't mean that if you have so much, so many people going in here that you will make money fast, right? So it's with the relationship you have with your list, right? So this is one very important point we have to highlight. But nevertheless, uh, um, building a list is very, very, very powerful, right? Because we don't own social media, right? We don't own social media, where we are advertising our links, right? So, but we own our email list, right? It's a traffic that we own, right? So, once we create the landing page, so by the way, the landing page has to be something roughly like this, right? You have your capture page, and here you put your bridge page, sorry, bridge page, right? So your bridge page um, can be something simple like this, congratulations, and people click here to watch, or it can be a thank you page where you show off, you brand yourself with a little video, welcoming people and inviting them to go to the next step, right? So the bridge page is very important here. That's where you will start creating the know, like, and trust, right? So it's very important here, right? To create the bridge page here. So it breaks the ice, right? It just out of the gate, it's really breaks the ice over here, right? And then people can go to your offer, which is the sale presentation here, right? And people follow up with the email. So the relationship, the money is here. It's in the way you are building the relationship over here, right? So um, um, this is by far the best way, to create your system, right? So one important thing to highlight as well is from here. uh, don't bring people over here. I mean, like, don't bring people directly here to your offer, right? So usually people, some folks just put their offer, bring people here directly, right? So when you bring people over here, what happen? You want to be able to follow up because you are not um, grabbing emails from here. So you are just bringing people over here to this help presentation, right? So that's why it's very important. It's very important to create a a landing page, right? A landing page, and obviously a bridge page, then the sales presentation, right? So and uh, then the next step really is to go to traffic. So traffic, really, we have traffic that we own and traffic that we don't own, right? So we have free traffic and we have pay, right? So either way we pay. Either we pay if it's free traffic, we pay with our time, and if it's paid traffic, we pay with our money, right? So um, yeah, so yes, and what else? So that's traffic. So once you build the landing page, everything. So we have seen already that for pay traffic, it's all about pay ads, right? It can be TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Facebook leads ads, Google ads, solo ads, and yes, so there is actually so many steps to go through later, like like um, going through your email list and segment the list, between people that are opening your list, people that are not opening, and yeah, there is so many steps uh, that will go in the back end later, right? This is out of scope, and what's important here is really how we can get email, how we can build your email list fast, right? But nevertheless, if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. So before we close up, so if you want to go one step further, if you want to earn you from your marketing effort with your list, so I suggest this program, the Get Fearless program. So basically you will get an email portal that will close sales for you, right? So uh, you can create multiple landing pages, to promote whatever business you want, and obviously the Get Fearless program as well. So you can earn 200, 500, $1,000, and right now they are working on the $2,000 level as we speak. So it's gonna come very soon. By the way, so this is 100% commission, so it's directly in your pocket. So let's quickly see the program and how you can, of course, let's see how you can learn from the email marketing. So uh, let's see some campaign real quick. Um, let's see here, for example, I have so many campaigns over here. So let's go to Facebook, for example. Here, let me click, for example, here. So you see, let's see, for example, this landing page, right? So um, so basically how you learn email marketing from here, right? So basically you opt in, you put your email over here, and you will you will also you will receive emails from the program owner at the same time. So that will help you see the type of emails, and how you can reverse engineer this, right? And how did the program owner manage to do that is, let's quickly see here. Lead capture, um, affiliate, okay, emailing autoresponder. So here through an API integration, right? So the Get Fearless dashboard is connected to either your Aweber, sorry, or your Get Response account, right? So, and the program owner daily email email your list on your behalf, right? So, the program owner is um, 6 to 7 figure earner, right? So, and that will really increase your chances to have sales in this program, right? And at the same time, since you opt in into you put your email address as well, you will receive some emails from the program owner, right? Yeah. Then you will learn as well email marketing. You will learn to reverse engineer, right? So um, and no, the program owner won't don't have access to your email list, right? It's just when she emails, since there is an API integration, so she can send as well some email to your list. So this is very powerful because it's one thing to have an email list, and it's one thing to convert that email list, right? So, and if you have somebody who's an expert that will email your list and make sales on your behalf, that will be awesome. So guys, that's all for today, and the Get Fearless information is down below, you know and yeah, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask, and see you in the next video. Bye.